Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear student, today we will learn numbers from 31 to 40. Let's count, say and trace together. Dear students, let's start. Say with me 31. 3, 10 and 1 more 31. Now trace the number 31. Next is 32. 3 tens and 2 more 32. Say it loudly 32. Now trace 3 and 2 comes 33. 3 tens and 3 more 33. Let's count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 33. Trace 3 and 3. 33. Wow, excellent. Next number is 34. Say with me 34. Trace 3 and 4. 34. Let's clap for this time, students. Very nice. Now 35. 3 tens and 5 more 35. Trace 3 and 5. 35. Good work, students. Next is 36. Say 36. Trace 3 and 6. 36. Now trace 37. 3 tens and 7 more. Let's count together. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. Next number is 38. Say 38. Trace 3 and 8. 38. Very nice. Now comes 39. Say 39. Trace 3 and 9. 39. Very nice. Last number is 40. Trace 4 and 0. 40. Very nice. Say with me